What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Vintage Air. I'm Billy. Today it's my pleasure to introduce you to our new kit, the Magnum Max for your 57 Chevy. All right, guys, let me tell you about your standard kit for your 1957 Chevy. You're gonna get your condenser kit right here, either for your straight six or your V8 core support. You get your firewall covers, nice clean look. Now, normally your battery is gonna be sitting right here where this compressor is, so you'll be getting a high mount bracket, your compressor, and your reduced barrier hose kit. On this, we decided to move the battery to the trunk. We got a rear exit compressor, and we did some easy clip lines, also available through us. So now that we got the outside, let's check out the inside. Follow me. All right, guys, you already know with the Magnum Max, you're getting that giant blower to push plenty of cold air through all your 2.5-inch ductwork throughout the whole system, including your defrost. Now, for you guys that have a console here and this vent's not going to work for you, we do offer this with a 4-vent plenum with 4 underdash vents. Next, we got our control panel conversion kit that'll let you work our system with no problem. And for you guys looking for something a little bit more custom, stay tuned. We might have something for you. So, if you want to make your 57 even cooler, you know what you got to do. You got to call our sales guys and get your kit ordered. Once again, from Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool.